What's up, peeps? Another little unboxing with us. PM Gaming 101, an Epson, and it's an XP 310. It's got a little LCD screen. You don't really need a computer to use this printer. You can have an SD stick. Just pop it in there, and you can see your pictures through here. I guess it does a scanner and all that. So we needed this with Noemi starting CEGEP and maybe homework she'll need to print out. And you know, I'm doing eBay. It'd be nice to print my shipping labels through PayPal.
And it's been a long time since we've been talking about it.
Yeah, every home needs a printer.
We've looked for the cartridge. It wasn't so expensive.
Black and white is $15 to replace, and the 3 colors, which is blue, red, and yellow, were 23 or 28. I'm not mistaken. But
it's not so bad.
No, it's not bad.
23. It's not so bad.
All right, so it says here. Looks like I'm gonna have to grab the bag and just pull it out like that. So that's what we're gonna do. It's also wireless, so I can stash the printer in my room and save area in the living room, which
we don't have.
As you know from my other vlogs, we have way too much stuff. We need a house. So, as it was instructed. Alright, what do we get? These are the cartridges?
Yeah, that comes with it.
So,
is it all blue, all black and white?
Well,
or
probably be indicated on it once we open it up.
You have 4, that's kind of good.
Yeah,
anyway.
It's, I guess this is, we bought this at Walmart, and the guy was explaining to me that all Walmarts around the world use Epson as their photo printing center. Good. So, you know they're good with pictures. So, yeah, we get hardware, which I'm probably going to go onto the website and get the newer drivers. And a quick guide. Power cable. The 80 cartridges. And the printer itself, which is wireless. You don't need USB wire or something like that. Oh my god. So much protective film.
So it stays shiny. Oh babe, I can see your reflection in it.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I think we have a printer scanner here.
Oh, that's good. Scanner.
The little LCD screen here.
Good.
This shit, I don't know what it's for. Probably so the drawer doesn't come out. Yeah, exactly. Printing drawer.
Where you can put your SD card.
Yeah. SD card, little screen, home menu, Wi-Fi. And it's a very small form factor. Very,
Is it
very,
light?
very small. Yeah, it's pretty light.
Can you open it? What's this? What's
you gotta open it to put the ink in, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Very easily open, actually. All these bands need to come off. That's where our ink goes.
Maybe we have one of each, like black.
Yeah. We have a yellow.
But look if it's what we receive it.
Another thing here.
What's that for?
With styrofoam in it. I think that's where the paper goes.
Oh, yeah. Probably. Take that out. Put the paper in.
Alright, let me sit down. And we'll see how the ease of the colors going. There's only a certain spot. I don't know if you can get in there. Like if I go too far, I can't pop them in. So they have a certain area right here. Oh my god, the dog's going to sleep in my gym bag. Oh, these are like vacuum sealed too.
Oh my god, huh?
So this would be a yellow.
So they don't dry.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, wait, there's a little tab right there. Perfect. So yellow. I don't know how it slides in, but we'll find out. That's about it.
Easy to go.
And this is
Magenta. It's red.
Hmm.
That's why the M. It's magenta.
magenta.
Yeah.
So there's a little paper you need to peel back. I think they're like
super seal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Well, yeah, it's not yellow, red, and blue. It's yellow, magenta, and bleu cyan. That's what we say in French. It's the real color name.
Cyan.
Cyan, yeah. It's like the scientific name for the color.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you have primary yellow.
So we have yellow, magenta, and cyan.
Yeah.
And
That must be the black one.
yeah, I was just looking for the little tab. So far, so good. It looks like they haven't mixed up their cartridges, so we didn't have to bring anything back or anything like that.
All in.
There you go. Slide that back where it goes. And as soon as I get this plugged in and we print something up, I will continue with the mini unboxing vlog experience of the Epson XP 310. Way overdue. We needed a printer. Cool. Let me find a spot for it, get it hooked up, maybe even show you how we do the whole thing. I'll have to go through the manual first. And this is our printer.
Oh, do you also need...
That's power cord.
Okay.
Peeps. Alright, just want to add it into our little vlog here. Things are shaping up. You know, we were changing rooms, O'Reilly and us. I wanted to share this with you guys. I picked it up today. I've already seen Sons of Anarchy up to date, but I figured $20 a season at Walmart, I'd support the boys. So I picked that up. That was a little buy today with the printer. Right now my girlfriend's editing stuff on my bank account, and she starts school tomorrow. CJEP is off. And show you guys Riley's room. Can't see very much. But we're going through everything here. We're going to have a yard sale. The light is dim, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see this. Well, wait, I'll stop this and I'll turn on my LED and see if it helps. Oh yeah, it helps big time. Alright, so it started up. It said give me 4 minutes. The cartridges were inserted like you guys saw me do. So I'm going to go to setup here. Okay. Wi-Fi setup wizard. And obviously if there's a password to put in, I'm going to pause the video. Let's see if I can't turn up this light here too. Oh, that helps a little bit. Alright, so it found me. Go on, focus. See if it does a better job than there we go. Actually way better camera than the HTC. So that's me, 120 megabits per second, so fuck you. That's just me being comical. So enter password. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. So it's pretty easy. All I had to do was go into the menu to Wi-Fi setup, enter my password for the router in the living room, and told me the setup was complete. I could have printed a copy of the report, if you want, you know, that it's connected to my Wi-Fi and all that. So next step is to go to the computer and see if it detects it through the media sharing center, and should be good to test it out to print something. Cool, let's move on. Alright, so we went into computer to networking, which is all the way down.
We have Windows 8, if it's not exactly the same for you guys if you don't have
Windows
this.
7 or XP, but I guess it detected it.
Yeah,
so,
scanner and printer and multifunctional device. So it detects.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to pictures. Let's go to some crazy pics. Let's just print something out that's cool. I don't know.
Oh wait, I have my
Okay.
document.
Document.
No wait, desktop.
Desktop.
Naomi's picture.
Okay.
This.
Alright. So this is my girlfriend's schedule at CJEP, which is going to start. I presume you right click Is there something? Not even?
Right click.
What is there an F button to print? I forget what it is. I have a gaming keyboard, so it doesn't say like the
Print
function.
screen? May.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Print it, try it.
It will just...
Okay, what we'll do is we'll go back to desktop, right click on it,
print.
print.
Yeah, that's good. Full page? Maybe not like this. Maybe more like this.
Okay.
No, it's two.
Full
Yeah,
page.
yeah. Full page.
One.
Glitter or the other side? Why is it not?
I think it's oh, it's not all in there, right?
Don't fit it to frame. Oh, that's better.
Alright. Yeah, that has it all. Okay, let's print it, peeps. See what's...
Oh, no, wait. You're not putting it install printer? Yeah. Because if not, you were putting it in a document, I think.
Printing it into a document.
Yeah. What?
I have no idea. Printers?
Oh no, it's an Epson. What? Choose your printer from the list. Click Windows Update to see more model.
Oh my god. Here's the process.
Well, if we have the disc, babe, we could have...
No, it's in there, I think. Alright, peeps, I'll be back. Maybe I will install the drivers. It'd be a lot easier, my mistake. So install drivers. So yeah, much better with the installation. We'll see what it's like after. Girlfriend going through her money collection because her mom brought her some pennies. See if she has years that are missing. But I have to show you this, peeps. It's so funny. Bob. Bob, what are you doing, Bob? Are you in my gym bag, Bob? What are you doing? What are you doing, Bob? What are you doing? Funny little man. Funny little man. Sleeping on your back in my gym bag. Did you miss me today? Did you miss me today? Yeah, that's our new little dog. Boston Terrier and Jack Russell mix. He's quite the dog. He's fucking smart. I've had many dogs in my lifetime. I actually raised some Boston Terriers for a little while, and Bob's a quick learner. Look at all his marks on his belly. It's funny. He's so cute. You stuck? Looks like you're stuck. Come on. Oh, there you go. There you go. No, breakfast is tomorrow, buddy. It's like 10 o'clock at night. No food at this time. So that's Bob for you guys. We bought watching him grow up. And the baby too that's on the way soon. Cool, let's go see if the printer's working. Alright, so it asked me to click on next and to set up network. Oh look, it's searching for printer right now. I didn't know this was going to pop up, so yeah, it's already got its address and everything. Print test page. That's what we're going to...
Go see.
Let's go see, peeps. Oh. Paper out. Alright, let me put this down and see if I'm putting the paper in the right place. Alright, my bad. This gray thing was like over here and I was putting the paper over it. I just needed to slide it. I'm like a printer newbie, fuck. I don't think I've ever had a printer, but...
Load paper. Say okay. Or print.
Yeah. Oh, paper's going in. Let's see.
Oh, print test page.
Yay!
This is the end of the print test page. I think it
Cool.
worked.
So there you go, peeps. We got our printer working. All right. Catch you later.